Welcome to Quantum Online Academy. This is your Dr. Nagaraju Pendam. This is very informative and useful information about IIT JAM and Central University Entrance Test PG. This State University Common Postgraduate Entrance Test for Physics. Now you have to see here, whoever completed BSc graduation, if they are interested to enter into the IITs, if people are not getting the seat in engineering IIT JEE, one way is there to enter into the IIT to do MSc and then continue in the research, PhD also. Such type of great opportunity is there. That exam is IIT JAM, right? Another one more exam is there, that is the Central University Test PG entrance. Next, state level also, if you want to enter into the MSc, that is state common postgraduate entrance test in Telangana. Now we have to discuss here in physics subject, especially we are discussing in physics subject, IIT JAM. Who is conducting the IIT JAM? First, who is conducting the Central University Test? Who is conducting Common Postgraduate Entrance Test? IIT JAM, every year one IIT is conducting. Every year one IIT is conducting. For 2024 IIT JAM, IIT Madras people will conduct this exam. That is IIT JAM, Joint Admission to MSc. Common Central University Entrance Test, postgraduate purpose. Who will conduct this exam? National Testing Agency. National Testing Agency people are conducting this exam. Common Postgraduate Entrance Test in Telangana State. Who is conducting this exam? Osmania University, OU. Osmania University will conduct this exam. Here various subjects are there, but I have to introduce the physics subject. Physics, what is the syllabus is there, what is exam pattern about that, solutions of some old questions we have to discuss. IIT JAM and Central University, how the paper standard will be there, you able to get because of these questions. Clear? Now we have to discuss that one. First you have to see IIT JAM. IIT JAM online application processing system through the website September 5th 2023. Already this date is over, completed. Last date for closing registration is October 25th. Two times they are extended. First October 13, October 13 to October 20 they are extended. Again they are extended up to October 25th 2023. This one also completed. Now modification of JAM 2024 application. Any person will modify their name or father name, whatever the details, their caste, all those things. If you want to modify, you go for November 24, 2023. This one also over, right? Now modification of JAM 2024 application close date November 30. November 30 also close now. Availability of the JAM admit cards. Now admit cards are available. Those are January 8th onwards. You have to download. If you really apply the JAM written exam purpose, you have to download your hall ticket. The hall tickets are available on the website IIT JAM 2024. You enter in the Google, you will get this admit card from that site. Date of examination is, please remember, February 11th 2024 Sunday. Date of exam is February 11th 2024. Exam date is 11th only. IIT JAM exam date is 11th only. The announcement of result March 2022. After 1 month only, they are 1 month 10 days. They will announce the result. Availability of the scorecards, April 2nd, availability of the scorecard is available on your site. Next, portal for admissions opens April 10th. April 10th, 2024 onwards, our admission process is started. Which admission process? JAM 2024 admission process will start from April 10th, 2024 onwards. Clear? Please students, you concentrate. February 11th is the exam date. So now we are in January. February 11th is the exam date. Please concentrate, and all the best for all the aspirants of a JAM written people. Clear? So please share and subscribe our YouTube channel to your friends. Your subscriptions are motivated to me. So many informative videos I will upload in YouTube. Please share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Next, we have to go for the Central University Common Entrance Test. Who is conducting this exam? National Testing Agency is conducting this exam. Recently they changed the date. They revised the dates. First, online submission application form 26th December 2023 to 24 January 2024. This is the existing date. But now 24 completed. They are changing the dates, revised dates. What are the revised date? 26th December 2023 to 31st January 2024. Up to the January you have to apply. That application will be open up to January 31st. Successful transaction of fee 26th January to 26th December to 2023 to 25 January 2024 existing date. They are changing the dates 26th December 2023 to 1st January up to the 1st February. Sorry, 1st February. Up to the 1st February you have to pay the amount. Right? 31st January is the last date. Transaction fee is 1st February. Correction in particulars, if you spell wrong or anything you entered in the system, there is a correction procedure is there. That correction procedure 29th January 2024 in existing date, but they are changing up to the 4th February 2024. This is the information. This information is more and more important. So many central universities, good central universities are there. If you want to do the MSc in central university, this entrance test is very, very nice. Test also very simply they are getting simple questions they are asking. You write, you get the card, admission card, then you enter into the central university. Your entire career will change. So you will grow in your career drastically, right? Now you have to see the syllabus for IIT JAM. For IIT JAM, physics syllabus I am giving. Which syllabus it is? Physics syllabus, right? Whatever the syllabus you read in your BSc, that syllabus only is there, except mathematical methods of physics. Now you have to see mathematical methods. In mathematical methods, this paper is first paper, mathematical methods. 2 or 3 questions you will get in IIT JAM. First you have to see calculus of single and multiple variables. You have to calculate the single variable and multiple variables, partial derivatives, Jacobian and imperfect and perfect differentials. Jacobian, imperfect and perfect differentials, Taylor's expansion, Fourier series, vector algebra, vector calculus, multiple integrals, divergence theorem, Green's theorem, Stokes theorem, first order equations and linear second order differential equations with constant coefficients, matrices, determinants, algebra of complex numbers. This is the syllabus. Here you have to get the questions from the matrices, from complex analysis, from Green's theorem, from the linear differential equation, otherwise partial differential equation, whatever the questions you will get from the mathematical methods, 4 or 5 questions you will get. Now the second topic is, which one is the second topic? Mechanics and general properties of the matter. Mechanics and general properties of the matter. This entire thing you have to learn in degree only. Newton's laws and their applications, velocity and acceleration in Cartesian and polar coordinate systems, uniformly rotating frames, centrifugal and Coriolis forces, motion under the central forces, Kepler laws, gravitational field, conservative field, like that questions are there. This is the classical mechanics or mechanics syllabus. Mechanics and general properties of the matter, that is a rigid body, also included in this syllabus. These two papers are very, very important papers. Next you have to see the third one is waves, oscillations and optics. This is the third paper. Waves, oscillations and optics. In waves you have to learn about the wave equation, simple harmonic oscillator wave equation, right? So next, energy density, energy transmission of waves, group velocity, phase velocity, sound waves, Doppler effect, everything you have to learn in optics also. Polarization, diffraction, reflection, linear polarization, electrical polarization, double refraction, optical rotation, everything is there. This also you have to learn in BSc. Next, the fourth paper is, what is the fourth paper? Electricity and magnetism. Here electrostatistics, magnetostatistics, electromagnetic theory, everything is there. Electromagnetic waves also is there. Low range force and charged particles in electric and magnetic field. This one also is there, electricity and magnetism. This is the fourth paper. This one also you read in BSc, right? Now you have to see the fifth paper is, which one it is in a fifth paper? Kinetic theory and thermodynamics. Kinetic theory, that belongs to the heat energy. Thermodynamics also it belongs to the heat energy only. In kinetic theory of gases, 3 varieties of distributions are there: diffusion and thermal conductivity. Like that you have to learn there, right? Next, Fick's laws. What is the first law of the Fick's law? The second law of the Fick's law? Thermodynamic laws, Bose-Einstein condensation, Maxwell-Boltzmann condensation, Dirac, Fermi-Dirac condensation. Everything you have to learn from this. This is there already in BSc. Next, sixth paper is modern physics. In modern physics, which one is there? Special theory of relativity, black body radiation, and then modern physics, de Broglie wavelength, their Schrodinger wave equation, and potential barriers and potential tunneling effect, application of the one-dimensional box, radioactivity, nuclear physics, everything is there. That is also there in BSc. This syllabus is covered in BSc. Next, solid state physics and devices and electronics. This is the seventh paper. Total how many papers are there? Total 7 papers are there in IIT JAM. These 7 papers, except some mathematical methods. Except some mathematical methods means Green's function, that one is not covered in your BSc. Some people will learn as a special paper, Fourier analysis or complex analysis. Somebody they will learn. If they will learn the complex analysis, then you will able to do the questions nicely. If it is not there, complex analysis as a special paper in your BSc, based on your mathematical teacher, those people will select as a selective paper. That selective paper, if you have to read complex analysis, it is more helpful to you. You will get the Taylor series and Cauchy-Residus theorem, Cauchy integral theorem. Those things you able to do in your competitive examination, IIT JAM. But little bit standard is high only. The questions they will ask logically. You have to apply the logical reasoning in every question. What are the questions are there? We will see after some time. These are the 7 papers. Whatever the syllabus is there, same syllabus they are cut and pasted in Central University Common Entrance Test also. Clear? Once you have to see the Central University Common Entrance Test for PG, post-graduation, mathematical methods, paper 1, same. Mechanics and general properties of the matter, paper 2 is the same. Now you have to see here, oscillations, waves and optics, paper 3 is the same. Electricity and magnetism, paper 4 is the same. Now you have to see here, kinetic theory and thermodynamics, paper 5 is the same. Modern physics, paper 6 is the same. Next you have to see the solid state physics devices and electronics, this paper 7 also same. Whatever the syllabus you are reading in JAM, you are getting the NTA test. NTA test means that is a Central University Common Entrance Test for post-graduation, syllabus also same, right? One syllabus if you have to read, one bullet per 2 entities. This is the very important. Now you have to see common postgraduate entrance test for Telangana people. If you are Telangana state, there is a entrance is there for common entrance for all universities for post-graduation enrollment. What is the syllabus? Whatever the syllabus you read in your BSc, that syllabus they are keeping here. First paper is mechanics. In your first year only you read their vector analysis, mechanics and particles, mechanics of the rigid bodies and central forces, speed, special theory of relativity. This entire thing you are reading in first year BSc. This is the mechanics. Now the second paper you have to see waves and oscillation, fundamentals of vibrations, damped and forced oscillations, vibrating strings, vibration of bars. This syllabus is there already. You read in your BSc. This is the second paper. The third one is thermodynamics. Thermodynamics, their kinetic theory of gases, thermodynamic potential, thermodynamic Maxwell equations, low temperature physics, quantum theory of radiation, statistical mechanics. This entire thermodynamic part already you learn in your BSc. That paper is the. That one is the fourth paper is optics, interference by division of amplitude, interference by division of wavefront, diffraction, polarization, aberrations and fiber optics. Everything is there in your BSc syllabus. This is the optics syllabus. Now once you have to see here, this is the fifth one. Which one it is? Fifth one, electromagnetism and electrostatistics. Electrostatistics, electromagnetic induction, electromagnetic waves. This entire portion is there in your BSc in third year. Now modern physics. In modern physics, except electronics syllabus is not included. Electronics and therefore SSP also not included here. This one atomic and molecular physics. Atomic and molecular physics, once you have to see atomic spectra and models of inadequacy, atomic and molecular physics, their quantum mechanics and nuclear physics. So these three parts they are included. These three parts included, but two parts is removed. That two parts are, one is SSP, solid state physics, and another part is electronics, solid state physics and electronics. These two parts are not included. Except these two parts, entire whatever the syllabus is there. But here mathematical methods of physics is not there. Mathematical methods syllabus is not there. If you have to read IIT JAM, you concentrate on mathematical methods. If you want to read for the state universities, you unable to concentrate mathematical methods. Mathematical methods you won't get in your state university. But even though if you are reading for IIT JAM or Central University Common Postgraduate Entrance Test, you must learn about the mathematical methods. Clear? This is the syllabus. So similarly, almost 95% of the syllabus is same for all the competitive exams. Now I want to teach how the questions are coming. How questions are coming in world exam. Right? Once you have to see in JAM 2019, IIT JAM 2019, this is the question. The eigenvalues of, from mathematical methods I took this question. The eigenvalues of, this is a matrix. What is the matrix, Nana? A is equal to 3I0 minus I30 006. This is the matrix A. Which one they want to ask? Find the eigenvalue. Eigenvalues of A. Eigenvalues of A, how much values are there? That is the thing. To solve this, we have to follow the characteristics equation. What is the characteristics equation? A minus lambda I is equal to 0. A minus lambda I is equal to 0. This is the characteristics equation. You have to substitute here. A you know. So you know the lambda value we need to calculate. Lambda is the eigenvalue. I also you know, that is a unit matrix. How I am solving, once you have to see. A is equal to, already we know, A is equal to, so which one we have to take, Nana? A is equal to 3I0 minus I30. 3I0, A is equal to, we have to take that one. A is equal to 3I0 minus I, you have to take minus I30 minus I30. Next, so you have to take 006. 006. This is a value. First you substitute the characteristics equation. What is the characteristics equation? A minus lambda I is equal to 0. First A value you have to substitute here. How I am substituting, once you have to see. 3I0 minus I30 006. This is the A value. A I am substituting. Minus lambda into, this one is a 3 cross 3 matrix. That's why you have to take a 3 cross 3 unit matrix. 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 you have to take is equal to 0. From this you have to write as a, how you have to write, you simplify lambda into 1, lambda into 1, lambda into 1, it will come 3 minus lambda I0 minus I 3 minus lambda 0 0 0 6 minus lambda is equal to 0. Now I am adding and subtracting this equation. This one I am multiplying. Later I have to subtract these two equations. We are getting this one. Now you have to find the determinant of this. How you have to find the determinant? 3 minus lambda into, determinant you have to find. I into, so you have to write it is 3 minus lambda into 6 minus lambda. 3 minus lambda into 6 minus lambda minus I into, you have to leave this row and this column. Minus I into, you have to write it is a 6 minus lambda. 0 into 3 minus lambda is equal to 0. Right? Next, plus 0 into something is equal to 0 into anything is equal to 0 is equal to 0. Now you have to write the equation. Which one? 3 minus lambda into
you have to write here 3 minus lambda into 6 minus lambda minus into minus plus I square into 6 minus lambda is equal to 0, right? So you have to take the common. 3 minus lambda is there common. 3 minus lambda you have to take the common. 3 minus lambda into 6 minus lambda, your I square is equal to minus 1 minus here 3 minus lambda you have to take here also you have to take 3 minus lambda into 6 minus lambda, sorry, you have to take here minus I into 3 minus lambda minus 0 is there. So you have to take that one. This is the entire the thing is there 3 minus lambda, 3 minus lambda. You have to take the common 6 minus lambda you have to take the common. 6 minus lambda you have to take the common. 6 minus lambda you have to take the common. 3 minus lambda into 3 minus lambda, right? Minus 1 is equal to 0. I square is equal to minus 1 is equal to 0. This minus into minus plus, right? I square is equal to minus 1. Clear? Now once you have to see 6 minus lambda, this one A you have to take, this one B, first lambda is equal to 6, you have to get it, right? From this we have to write it is 3 square plus lambda square minus 6 lambda minus 1 is equal to 0, right? Now you have to take lambda square minus 6 lambda plus 8 is equal to 0. 8 into 1 is equal to 1. So 2 4 the 8 lambda square minus 2 lambda minus 4 lambda plus 8 is equal to 0. You have to take the common lambda. Lambda minus 2 lambda minus 2 you have to get. Here also you have to take which one you have to take common. You are taking the common. You have to take here 4 lambda plus 8. Here 2 you have to take the common. 4 you have to take the common. Lambda minus 2 is equal to 0. So therefore you have to take from here lambda minus 2 you have to take the common. Lambda minus 2 into, so you have to take it as a lambda minus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore you are getting a lambda is equal to 2 and lambda is equal to 4 you are getting. Clear? Lambda is equal to 2 and lambda is equal to 4. Therefore what are the eigenvalues? One eigenvalue is equal to 6, one eigenvalue is equal to 2, one eigenvalue is equal to 4. Therefore the eigenvalue of A is equal to 2 comma 4 comma 6. Lambda is equal to how many eigenvalues you will get? Whether it may be 3 cross 3 matrix, you are getting the 3 eigenvalues. Once you have to check the answer. What is the answer, Nana? 2 comma 4 comma 6 is the answer. This is the correct one. Like this we have to do. How simple it is? Very easy. Very simple. Maybe this time I am unable to start the course. Maybe next year for 2025 JAM or Central University Common Entrance Test purpose, for physics I need to give the coaching. If you really like my teaching, so you have to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and you download the app. That app is Quantum Online Academy app from your Play Store in your mobile. From your Play Store you have to download the Quantum Online Academy app. From that app you have to purchase this course. Maybe this course now exam date came. Within 1 month we cannot do anything. Maybe next academic year purpose 2025, if your juniors are there now, you have to inform them. This will be helpful, more helpful to them, right? Now we will see the next question. What is the next question you have to see, Nana? Consider an object moving with a velocity v in a frame which rotates with the constant angular velocity omega the Coriolis force experienced by the object is? This question also came in JAM 2019 only. Coriolis force, there is a pseudo force is there. What is the magnitude of the Coriolis force? Is equal to minus 2m into omega cross v. Minus 2m into, which one we have to write, Nana? Omega cross v. Omega is the angular velocity, v is a linear velocity. Here omega cross v, how it will be? Omega is perpendicular to v only, then only that Coriolis force is existed. Like that they are asking. Along the v, not correct. Along the omega, not correct. Perpendicular to both v and omega, always directed towards the axis of the rotation, that is not correct. Always perpendicular to the both v and omega. V and omega, this Coriolis force is perpendicular to omega, is perpendicular to the v. So that is very, very important application. Clear? Option C is correct according to your answer. Now you have to see here, which of the following is interference is produced by the division of amplitude? 2021 Central University Common Entrance Test. How simple is there once you have to see? This question is very, very simple. Interference, there is a interference is there. This is the interference light phenomena. Which phenomena is? It is a light phenomena. Interference. In interference happen two types. One thing due to the division of wavefront and division of amplitude. Which one interference can happen? Because of two things. One is the division of interference due to division of wavefront. Division of wavefront, right? Interference can happen. Second one, due to, which one it is, Nana? Division of amplitude. Division of amplitude. Interference can happen, division of amplitude and division of wavefront. What are the examples they are asking? Example. Division of wavefront example is, first example you have to take Young's double slit experiment. Young's double slit experiment. Young's double slit experiment. The second one is Young's double slit experiment, division of wavefront. Young's double slit experiment. Fresnel biprism. Fresnel biprism. Fresnel biprism. The third one is Lloyd's single mirror experiment. Lloyd's single mirror experiment. Single mirror experiment. Right, and so on is there. These are the examples for division of wavefront. What is the division of amplitude? The examples of the division of amplitude is equal to, example, first wedge method, or so we have to take it as a Newton rings experiment. Newton's rings experiment. Second one is Michelson-Morley experiment. Michelson's experiment. Michelson experiment, Newton rings experiment, Michelson experiment. The third one, Fabry-Perot experiment. Fabry-Perot experiment. So that is very, very important, Fabry-Perot experiment. So now you have to see which one they are asking. In which of the following interference produced by division of amplitude? Once you have to see. Lloyd's single mirror experiment because of division of wavefront. Young's double slit experiment because of division of wavefront. Fresnel biprism because of the division of wavefront. Which one is because of the amplitude division? That because of the amplitude division, Newton ring. Option B is correct. Very simple. If you know the concept,
how the interference patterns are produced in a Newton rings. Because of amplitude division, there is a Newton rings are forming. If you know this concept, automatically you come to know. At least you know the syllabus also, you come to know this one. Right? Clear? Once you have to see how you have to remember. Once you have to see the syllabus, there is a syllabus is there. Which one? Waves and oscillations. In waves and oscillations, optics is there, no? In optics, you have to see the syllabus. What is the syllabus is there? Once you have to see here, simple harmonic and general solution, simple harmonic oscillation and Lissajous figures. In optics, you have to see, there is a Fermat principle, general theory of formation, thin lens, lens combination, interference of light, optical path reduction. This is not there. Now you have to see the state syllabus. Once you have to see the state university syllabus, once you have to see, you will get the answer you have to get. So first you have to see interference by division of amplitude. There what we are learning? Interference for division of amplitude. Which one we are learning in division of amplitude? So now you have to see here interference by a non-parallel reflecting film, that is a wedge shaped film, and Newton rings, their Michelson interferometer, Fabry-Perot interferometer is not there according to your syllabus. So now you have to see interference by division of wavefront, Fresnel by prism and Fresnel by prism applications, Lloyd single mirror experiment. These all the things are there. At least you read this syllabus, you get the answer. Clear? So like that also we have to see such type of things, such type of questions we have to attempt because of awareness of the syllabus also. Clear? Now we have to see the fourth one. What is the fourth one you have to see? That is a thermodynamic question I took. What is this question? Once you have to see here. If U, F, H, G represent the internal energy, Helmholtz free energy, enthalpy, Gibbs free energy respectively, then which of the following is correct thermodynamical relation? Which of the following is the thermodynamic relation? You have to see. You know the enthalpy H is equal to U plus PV, you know. You differentiate explicitly, dH is equal to du plus P into dV plus V into dP, right? According to the thermodynamic first law, dQ is equal to, which one we have to write now? du plus dW. dW is equal to PdV. du is equal to, you have to write, du is equal to dQ minus PdV, right? dQ is equal to TdS minus PdV. du is equal to TdS minus PdV. You have to substitute this du value here. Therefore, dH is equal to TdS minus PdV, TdS minus PdV plus PdV plus VdP is there. Minus PdV plus PdV get cancelled. Therefore, dH is equal to TdS plus VdP. TdS plus VdP. This one is the dH. Now you have to see du is equal to TdS minus PdV. This is wrong. dH is equal to TdS plus VdP. B is correct, right? Like that we have to calculate. Clear? If you know the potentials of the thermodynamics, you able to do this problem is very, very easy. When they are asking in JAM 2016, how simple it is there. This MSc entrance, this IIT MSc entrance is not hard, not at all hard. If you know the basics, really fundamentals of physics, it is very, very easy to crack this exam. This exam is not at all hard. Don't think IIT entrance is very hard. Don't think like that. IIT exam is very easy if you know the fundamental. Clear? Now you have to see the fifth question. What is the fifth question? Once you have to see, a particle rest mass is m0 is moving uniformly
in the straight line with relativistic velocity, that velocity, group velocity, you have to take it as a beta into c, where c is the velocity of the light in vacuum, 0 is less than beta is less than 1. The phase velocity of the de Broglie wave is associated with what they are asking. What is a phase velocity? Group velocity they are giving. They are asking about the phase velocity. How we have to calculate once you have to see. You know the energy relation in a relativistic theory. E square is equal to P square C square plus m naught square c power 4. Which one do you have to take? P square c square plus m naught square c power 4. First you have to take, this is the energy relation in a relativistic case. Relativistic energy relation. First you have to take this equation. You differentiate with respect to P. Differentiate with respect to P. How you have to differentiate? 2E into dE by dP is equal to 2P into C square. With respect to P I am differentiating. Is there any P here? There is no P. That's why you have to take it as a 0. 2 1 ja get cancelled. Therefore, which one we have to write here? Once you have to see E by P is equal to this P I am bringing into this side. This one you have to bring to this side is equal to C square is divided by dE by dP. What is the group velocity? That group velocity Vg is equal to dE by dP. This is the formula for the group velocity, dE by dP. dE by dP is equal to which one they are giving? Beta into c they are giving. Therefore, c square is divided by beta into c. 1c get cancelled, which is equal to E by P. What is the ratio to the E by P? E to P is equal to, this is a phase velocity is equal to, which one we have to take, Nana? C by beta. C by beta is equal to phase velocity. Now you have to see option B is correct. Beta C is wrong. C is wrong. C by beta square is wrong. Option B is correct. How simple it is. If you know the logic, you know the formulas, what is the phase velocity, what is the group velocity. When they are asking, this question came IIT JAM 2006. 2006 IIT JAM people are asking this question. It is very important. This question belongs to which area? Modern physics. This question belongs to modern physics. Clear? This question belongs to modern physics. Right? Now you have to see the sixth question. When they are asking in JAM 2019, IIT JAM 2019, they are asking this question. Out of the following statement, choose the correct option about the perfect conductor. For a perfect conductor, there is a properties are there. For perfect conductor you have to take. For a perfect conductor, there is some properties are there. What are those properties they are asking? First property, the conductor has an equipotential surface. That option A is correct. The second property is the net charge, if any, resides only on the surface of the conductor. The second one also correct. Electric field cannot exist inside the conductor. That one also correct. Electric field is zero inside the conductor. Just outside the conductor, the electric field is always perpendicular to its surface. All options are correct. Option A answers. What are your answers? Your answers are option A is correct, option B is correct, option C is correct, option D also correct. All options correct according to a perfect conductor. Clear? Like this, multiple select questions also they will ask. They are asking in IIT JAM 2019. 19th. Now the last one you have to see. Sodium exhibits body-centered cubic crystal. Body-centered cubic crystal. There is a 4 is there. This is the BCC crystal. The atomic radius they are giving R is equal to 0.186 nanometer, right? The lattice parameter for a sodium unit cell. Lattice parameter A is equal to how much? For a body-centered cubic system. For a body-centered cubic system, I gave one tabular form. A is equal to how much formula nana? 4R by root 3. You substitute just 4 into 0.186 into 10 to the power of minus 9. This is nanometer only in terms of the answer is divided by root 3. Just you multiply and divide this thing, you will get the answer. What is that answer? 0.43 nanometer. We have how many nanometer? 0.43. Just you have to enter. Like this also questions you will get in your competitive examination. These are the 7 questions. How many question areas are there? 7 areas are there according to the JAM. 7 questions I took. Mathematical methods, mechanics, optics, electronics, experimental methods, modern physics, everything I choose. One question I told. These 7 questions also you observe. These are very simple, not at all hard. Don't think IIT JAM entrance is very topmost entrance like that. Don't think. This entrance is very, very simple. Ordinary people also can crack. First, you learn the fundamentals of physics, right? This time I am unable to do anything. Thank you so much for listening patiently. Please share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Our YouTube channel name is Quantum Online Academy. Quantum Online Academy. This is our YouTube channel, right? So please share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and share to your friends to be subscribe our YouTube channel. If you really likes my teaching, if you want to join in our institute, that institute is Quantum Online Academy, purely online mode only. You have to download the app from your Play Store. This Quantum Online Academy app only. You have to download app. From that app, you learn whatever the courses is there. Those courses display on that app. Maybe this year I am not starting the Central University entrance test and JAM also. Exactly next year. Next year means for next 2024 JAM purpose. Over there in the second year people are there now. Maybe after August I have to start. At least 6 months it will take. 6 months it will take. August, September, October, November, December, January. In the February there is exam. Every February there is a JAM exam is there no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. August. In the month of August I have to start JAM. JAM physics. Which one I have to start? JAM physics. IIT JAM physics I have to start in the month of August. This batch I will start in the month of August. Please be aware. Over there in the degree second year people, if you really interested to do the MSc in IITs or central universities, these are the foremost prestigious universities in India. If you want to really study a good education, this is the gateway to enter into the IITs. This is also one of the gateway. It is a nice gateway. You continue in the research also. You become as a scientist also. These are all IITs also. Hyderabad Central University also nice university. From that also so many people are settled in research side. Please subscribe
our YouTube channel. Thank you so much.